And what's happening, YouTube? It's your boy Tech Tricks back with another video, and today we're gonna unbox this brand new Amazon Basics music stand. And basically I think it's one of the most cheapest music stand that you can find in the market right now, and I think it's like pretty good built as well. There's a few things that is not very good with it, and there's things that are a benefit when you buy this product. So let's go ahead and unbox it, and we're going to talk about it more later on. Here we go. One of the few pros of this product from Amazon Basics guitar stand is that it's very cheap. You can get this around $15 Canadian. So if you're looking at different guitar stands in the market right now, it would run you about $25 Canadian up to $30 Canadian. So if you're looking at like a very basic guitar stand that can carry an electric guitar slash bass guitar, those are like the heavier guitars, this will be the best one for you. It also has a ridge on the bottom where the guitar sits, so it varies on what guitar you want to put on this, and it'll carry a bass guitar, electric guitar, and also an acoustic guitar because it's wide enough for an acoustic guitar. One of the cons of this guitar stand is it's very flimsy. I'd say that it can carry it, but it would have a little bit of flex because the metal and the tubing and whatnot are very thin. But I like how versatile it is. It's very small, just like this. You can have it and carry it with you if you are a traveler or something like that. You'll be able to carry this with one hand, just like that, kind of like a tripod for your camera. Well, that's it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this little unboxing slash review, initial review for this Amazon Basics guitar stand. I hope you guys have a good day. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel. Have a good day and stay grateful. Peace out.